This tutorial will just go over a few practice problems over Big Idea 1, Standard 1 on atomic structure. So sometimes these tables are a little bit overwhelming, and I don't want you to get to the practice and feel confused and like you don't know where to start. So I want to go over a few of these with you guys. So let's just start with the first row. We have lithium. So your big piece of information, if you know the identity, is you also know the atomic number. Again, use your key. The atomic number is the number above the elemental symbol. So if this is lithium, it has an atomic number of 3. Well, the atomic number is equal to the number of protons. So if lithium has an atomic number of 3, lithium has 3 protons. We are going to assume that everything is an atom. So maybe I should be clear about that. These are all atoms. So if I have 3 protons, I also have 3 electrons. And then from there, the mass number is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. So lithium has 3 protons plus 4 neutrons, so its mass number would be 7. My suggestion is to pause the video. Try the second row on your own. When you're ready, unpause, check your answer. All right, up first. Since these are atoms, that means that the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. If I have 15 protons, I also have 15 electrons. Mass number is protons plus neutrons. So if I take my mass number of 31 and subtract out 15 protons, I should get 16 neutrons. The atom or the element, remember the number of protons determines the identity. If I have 15 protons, the atomic number is 15, and atomic number 15 is phosphorus. Again, pause the video, try row number 3 on your own. Protons equal electrons. If I have 8 electrons, I have 8 protons. The mass number is protons plus neutrons. 8 protons plus 8 neutrons gives me a mass number of 16. Protons determines the identity. 8 protons, atomic number 8 is oxygen. Again, pause the video, try row 4 on your own, unpause when you're ready to check your work. If you're given the element, the first thing you should do is go to the periodic table. Cr is chromium. Chromium is atomic number 24. That means there are 24 protons. Protons equal electrons in an atom. 24 protons, 24 electrons. The mass is protons plus neutrons, so take your mass of 52, subtract out your 24 protons, we would be left with 28 neutrons. Again, pause the video. Try row 5 on your own, unpause when you're ready to check your work. Again, these are all atoms. Atoms are neutral. Protons equal electrons. If I have 56 protons, I also have 56 electrons. Mass is equal to protons plus neutrons. 56 protons plus 81 neutrons gives me a mass number of 137. Lastly, number of protons determines the identity. If I have 56 protons, I need to look up atomic number 56, which is barium, Ba. Next, rows 1 through 3, I want you to write in our A to Z notation. And then we're going to use our second notation system, element, mass number for rows 4 and 5. And again, this is your practice. This is for you to get better at this. So pause the video and try it on your own before you just watch me do the answers. So let's start with number 1. X represents the element symbol, which is lithium. The top number is the mass number. Lithium has a mass number of 7. The bottom number is the atomic number, which is equal to the number of protons. Lithium has 3 protons. Let's try number 2. My element symbol is phosphorus. The top number is the mass number. My mass number is 31. The bottom number is the atomic number, which is equal to the number of protons. Phosphorus has 15 protons. Number 3, my element symbol is oxygen. The top number is the mass number. My mass number is 16. The bottom number is the number of protons, or the atomic number, which is 8. For 4 and 5, we're going to use our other notation system, where we write out the element name, or you could use the symbol,